Well, the CBI sources have told CNN News 18 that over the last 3 days, CBI has questioned more than 30 people in this case. And according to the sources, CBI has also found some of the leads in the matter as well. These leads are being pursued by the investigators, and CBI has made a list of at least 30 people in that particular list. And this list, in fact, contains the name of the friends of the victim specifically. We'll bring you more details with regards to the investigation that has been done so far, the glaring things that have been highlighted in this particular investigation. We have seen in News 18's Anshul Singh joining us on the phone line. Anshul, please walk us through, the crucial highlights and the key points that you have picked up straight from your sources with regards to the investigation currently underway.
Very new investigation. In fact, till now it has just been 4 days since the time the Central Bureau of Investigation has taken over this case, and at this point in time, the basic job that has been done by the Central Bureau of Investigation is to actually go ahead and verify the investigation that was done by the Kolkata police. Now, till now, the Central Bureau of Investigation has in fact recorded the statements of 30 people, and there is a fresh list of at least 30 people that has been made by CBI. Their statements will also be recorded. Basically the names of a few of the friends of the victim have also been made in that list, because as the name was actually given by the family members in themselves. The CBI actually wants to establish, if at all there is some sort of a direct connection between the accused and the victim. Was the accused actually threatening the victim in some way or the other? Is there a larger conspiracy that could be behind this entire incident? All these angles are being probed by the Central Bureau of Investigation. It remains to be seen if at all something concrete might come up. But at this point in time, yes, there are a few leads, but the investigation is still at its very preliminary stage, and hence nothing can be ruled out at this point in time. This CBI, the 25-member CBI team that is in Kolkata, will continue to remain there until and unless the investigation is done in such a way that there is a concrete proof and concrete solution to this entire investigation.
Right. Anshul, please stay on with us. We have CNN News 18's Arunima also joining us on the phone line. Arunima, if you were to touch upon the biggest question of the hour with regards to the vandalization that happened at RG Kar Medical Hospital, it would be, was that a bid to sort of tamper with the evidence? Is there a larger conspiracy behind all of this? Why exactly the case was called of a case of suicide out of haste?
So two different issues here. The initial case being called suicide, that I think CBI is still questioning the former principal of RG Kar, Sandeep Ghosh. He was, taken to CBI office around 2 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and overnight his questioning has continued. So things look ominous for him, and this is one of the questions for the hospital management. There are a number of HODs who are also being questioned. The question to them is about the handling of the issue when they discovered the body first. Now, to come to the vandalism question, Kolkata police does suspect that this was a larger conspiracy. They do suspect that the crowd of 7,000 that was mobilized was not, just suo moto to seek justice. There could be a pattern behind it. They have managed to pin down the profile of the people who we see vandalizing. They're mostly either home delivery boys or drivers, or one works in a tea stall, another works as a worker in a battery repair shop. So the profile is similar of people who don't really know much about how the medical colleges work, who don't really know much about why this was becoming an issue, but they had heard that there was a crowd that was going towards RG Kar. Somebody from their locality was going, so they just accompanied. The question that the Kolkata police is asking is, some of them are seen carrying rods and hammers and hammering on the justice posters, tearing them apart, pushing the barricades. So that is what is leading to this hunch that perhaps this was a larger mobilization. The motive, was it to destroy evidence on the 4th floor where the seminar hall is located? That is under investigation.
Definitely. Arunima and Yash, please would request you to please stay on with us. We have got some reactions also coming in within the same story. Let's take a look at all of those first.
हमने टीएमसी के इस पुलिस को, टीएमसी का पुलिस इसलिए बोला हूं कि टीएमसी की पार्टी का ही एक पार्ट है। इनको बोला है आज कोई भी महिला जब हमारे रहते हुए गिरफ्तार आप नहीं करेंगे। अगर गिरफ्तार करना है हम लोगों को गिरफ्तार करिए। किसी महिला के ऊपर आँच आने हम नहीं देंगे। तो इसलिए पुलिस को हमने बोला कि हमें गिरफ्तार कीजिए, पुलिस हमें गिरफ्तार करके ले जा रही है, लेकिन किसी महिला के ऊपर हम आँच नहीं आने देंगे, किसी महिला के ऊपर आँच नहीं आने देंगे।
तेरा रेप मेरा रेप की पॉलिटिक्स को बंद करें ममता दी। और अगर ममता जी को लेफ्ट विंग से इतनी ही परेशानी है तो वो इंडिया अलायंस छोड़ दें। लेकिन प्रश्न उठता है कि मिचिल विरोध प्रदर्शन किसके खिलाफ किया? प्रदेश की होम मिनिस्टर ममता जी हैं। हेल्थ का चार्ज किसके पास है? मुख्यमंत्री कौन है? तो किसके खिलाफ वो प्रदर्शन कर रही थी? अपने खिलाफ। जनता की आंखों में धूल झोंकना बंद करें। जनता जो जवाब मांग रही है उन जवाबों को दें।
ममता बनर्जी साइलेंस करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं। क्लियर पिक्चर। आज हम लोग जो प्रतिबाद कर रहे हैं, ममता बनर्जी बोल रहे हैं हम भी चाहते हैं कि फांसी हो, लेकिन एक्चुअली वो चाहते नहीं है।
डॉक्टरों के मन में एक असुरक्षा की भावना है। जो कलकत्ता में हुआ वो हृदय विदारक है। अगर डॉक्टर सुरक्षित नहीं महसूस कर रहे हैं तो वो कैसे अपनी सेवाएं दे पाएंगे? हम इस पूरे मामले में डॉक्टरों के साथ खड़े हैं।
ममता बनर्जी के बयान की जितनी भी निंदा की जाए उतनी कम है। वो मुख्यमंत्री जैसे महत्वपूर्ण पद के योग नहीं बची हैं। उनकी नारी संवेदनाएं मर चुकी।
You are the chief minister, you are the home minister, you are the health minister, and now you are saying you will go for protest. Protest against whom? किसके खिलाफ प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे आप कल? आप एक फोटो लेकर जाइए होम मिनिस्टर का बंगाल की, और एक फोटो लेकर जाइए हेल्थ मिनिस्टर का बंगाल की, और उनके खिलाफ प्रोटेस्ट कीजिए, धरना कीजिए अपनी सरकार के खिलाफ, और वो भी कर सकती हैं। पर प्रभु श्री राम को कम से कम इस केस में बख्श दीजिए। वैसे तो प्रभु श्री राम का अस्तित्व मानते नहीं है इनकी पूरी मंडली और जमात। They don't consider existence of Prabhu Shri Ram. But when it comes to such a case, to demean the feelings and insult the feelings of Hindus, they are invoking the name of Prabhu Shri Ram.
CNN News 18's editor East Kamalika Sen Gupta is also joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, a big question about the involvement of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh at this point of time in this entire matter. He is also currently being investigated. What are the biggest findings that we have from our sources at this point of time?
See, there are various things which are against him. Probably the CBI officers, they are trying to actually find answers for that. The first day, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, who is the principal, he did not complain. Initially, he did not complain he did not complain to the police in writing that this incident has happened. Police started a UD case and then the complaint was given by the parents. Second is, he did the first day press conference. There he said that, there he revealed her name. That is the second thing. Assistant super, somebody who called in the name of assistant super to the parents, did mention that this girl has done suicide. This is the third point. And there are several allegations against principal otherwise. So definitely as the head of the institution, because this incident has taken place in when he was the principal, that's why CBI is interrogating with every possibility of what has happened, exactly, scene by scene, what he saw. So everything that has been asked to him is regarding all this, and a lot of other, narratives are going on and all those things. But CBI will definitely is asking things on the basis of certain evidences and on the basis of the statements given by the others.
Right. Kamalika, Arunima, Anshul.